So na naman kami guys, oh. So tuwing maglipat kami ng mga hotels, maraming aso din. Ang bait-bait niya guys. Pagdating namin kagabi, akala ko kakagatin ng kagatin niya yung mga paa namin habang patakbo pa ang motor. Yun pala nag-welcome daw yun siya sa mga visitors. Oh, ganyan ang work niya dito. Taga-welcome ng visitors. Ha? Hello! Pinapakain ko siya. Di ba? Uchucha! Achi! Oy! Oy! Say hi! Ay! Ano yun? Ay! May bubuyog! Busi ka bubuyog. Yun, naglipad-lipad. Ubo! Bait-bait na dugi. Say bye, everybody! Good morning guys, it's time to swim in the swimming pool guys. So look at this guys, we have to go there for swimming. Let's go guys. Hilang kay ma. It's against the light I think. Okay. Yung against the light talaga. Oh my god. Baka maano yung kuan cellphone ko sa tubig, impact din.
Sobrang pagod niya gawin yung samantalang paglaya.
Andyan na si Mulmul, oh. Naka-swimming trunk. Do not bring the towel ni, it's okay. Where you put? You can put inside na lang. There. Dala-dala. I don't know where you put that one.
Oh, it's the same.
The same.
I put here on the...
Okay. Whatever.
Not important. Ah, I good lah.
It's not so hot. Deep. Go there ni, deep side.
Nah, this one you can see.
Ngit-ngit man. Wait lang. Good. Very good. Okay.
This one you can see.
Okay, swim. And you should me here. It's not so deep, right? Ne?
Huh?
Not so deep.
No, it's not deep. I look. I touch.
It's a prank only. Okay. Oh my god! Swimming! You go very small. Okay. Nice swimming pool.
Why you don't swim?
I will swim. Just wait.
You can swim.
Yeah, just wait. I just get the video here in the pool of swimming pool in Tai Lilong Resort. I mean, I don't know. Tai Lilong Pension House.
Next floor. Feel a little bit better. I like this. Well, I need that if I am no problem. Well, sure, you can. One. Look, look at them. Ah. Enjoy what I say. You swim now.
Malalim yun dyan. Malalim yun dyan. Ito?
No, I mean, it's okay. It's more deeper, là. No, it's okay. You can touch. It's okay. You can touch. You can walk. Good.
Putik. So, di man, matugkad man. Okay. Okay. Only that? Okay, I will jump there.
Ito daw eh. Talaga na. Huwag kang dito pa.
Takpo man ko yung paa. Ha? Maano man yung paa sa floor pagtalon. Abot yung paa mo sa floor.
I go after in the small one for show. For show.
Go to the small one.
Wait.
You're a baby now.
Ah,
For the baby. Ha? Uy! Nagulat yung bata.
Mababaw na.
Mababaw na sumalo. Nagnormal. Oh, tingnan mo yung syungak. Tumalon siya.
Ilan taon na yun, te?
Kina, swim na, bebe. I swim, Henny. I also jump like you. Bak, mayroong harang. Wala, ilan? Ha?
Pang baby.
Pang baby, dito. Mas malalim-lalim pala din eh.
Ma! Daddy! Ma! Daddy! Nakabalik!
Nakaligo! Hello! Nakaligo! Saan yung tuwalyan nyo?
Doon po.
Ayun sa tabi?
Yung dalawa.
Yung dalawa makatabi?
Oo, nag-breakfast na kami.
Kape, may kape.
Pwede ba mag-ano? Ano mo lang kasi dyan? Baka pwede ba mag-order ng breakfast? Bakit?
Ano ba yung lalaki? Nagaling? Kuya!
Ayun lang, pabang ka lang. Ano?
Sana yun?
Pwede yan, guys. Ano ko kanila?
Sakit dito pag naano ka ng tubig. Nakainom. Ha? Ikaw rin na maglangoy.
Langoy aso.
Kape mo na ka. Bilis. Kapit mo lang ulang. Ay. Oh, gustong makaba. Gusto makaba. Ay.